So hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl Nicole, and I know it has been a while since I have brought to you guys a natural hair tutorial, but as you can see, my hair is not done. I did have a sew-in for about a month and some days, so now it's time to revive and refresh my natural hair. Today you guys will be watching me wash my natural hair with Design Essentials and with an assist from Camilla because I will be using their mousse, and I can just show you guys the products that I will be using before we go ahead and get in today's video and wash day. I am using today from Design Essentials this here is a customer fave from what I have seen on TikTok and other social media platforms, and this is the honey cream mask. It is silicone free and its purpose is to retain moisture. So once you get done like washing your hair with the shampoo, you're gonna then go in with this mask, and when I say guys, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. I will be utilizing Design Essentials honey cream shampoo. Listen, when I say your hair will be smelling like a tropical garden, when you put these two together, it's the moisture retention super detangling conditioning shampoo. Guys, this is what you need if you want clean hair. So far I have only tested it with my daughter's hair, and I absolutely love the results for her curls, so I know that this is gonna do my hair some justice after having this sew in for a month. On to the next gem. I have used this particular product before. This is the Design Essentials Avocado conditioner. It is a leave-in conditioner, and this smells good as well. Not only will I be washing my hair, doing like a deep conditioning with the hair mask and everything, I'm also going to be styling it for the week. I'm going to give myself a braid out, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to achieve that look. This is the Spiked Honey Mousse, and it's a 4-in-1 styler, nettle root infused. It's very lightweight. Guys, when I say this product it smells so good, and it complements the Design Essentials product so well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start this routine. And you can just kind of see what we're working with before we start washing my hair. I'm gonna give you guys like a 360 so you can actually see. Now that I officially have the braids out, it's time to go ahead and head to that sink so we can get in that wash. I think I'm going to wash my hair twice, depending on how I feel like it feels. I may do a third wash, but if I feel like I wash it pretty good the first and second time, then I'm not going to worry about washing it 3 times. I just want to make sure that I really get in there and give my scalp a good cleanse, because lately, or over the last year or so, I have been building up a lot of dandruff in between like my protective styling, so I always make sure that I prioritize my shampoos on wash day. So let's go ahead and head to the sink.
Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though.
Listen, girl, when I say my back is aching, I mean just that. We're gonna go ahead and apply the honey cream mask. Super excited because the shampoo smells amazing and this smells even better. Fresh after the wash. Still have some shampoo left, but we'll get that out when I do the mask. We'll be utilizing the Kiss Colors Care brush. I have been using this brush for quite some time now, and I got it in the color pink. I'm not even really sure if it comes with any, like in any other colors. This is how the brush looks, and we're gonna go ahead and detangle this hair. Guys, listen, the hardest part is over. I don't even consider the shampooing being the hardest part during wash day. It's honestly the detangling. And honestly, I just wanted to make sure that this mask is able to penetrate in my hair follicles the way that it needs to, because like I said, it has been a month and some days before I have had, you know, like since I have had my hair washed. But I'm so glad this is finally over. I am actually going to start me a timer. I'm gonna let this sit on for about 20 minutes before I wash it out, simply because I need some TLC. Girl, it's probably been about almost 40 minutes since I had this mask in my hair. When I say I'm so exhausted, like this weekend was just whew. So we're gonna go ahead and make our way to the sink and wash this stuff out. Go ahead and tell you right now, the mask, this right here, ten out of freaking 10. My hair is literally so soft, so soft. Let me just show you guys how my hair looks right now. Be so for real. Look at the girls. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and section it off piece by piece and add the leave-in conditioner before I start doing my braid out process. The Design Essentials Avocado leave-in conditioner. this is my hair washed after the mask and the leave-in. I'm going to section this off, split the back part into two, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the Camilla Rose Spiked Honey Mousse. And this is what the bottle looks like. I simply don't want to use any gel because I need my hair dry for work on tomorrow. So we're just going to go in with mousse. And I'm going to try to put the braids into smaller sections so it can dry. So I'm going to take the mousse, take about this much. Might be a little too much. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good. So a little definitely goes a long way, and I can see it now. It smells amazing. And look at the girl. I'll know not to put that much on the next one. I'm just sectioning my hair off into three, making sure I can get it as tight as possible at the root, and begin to braid or plait, if you would. The exact same thing I did on the other side.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, riding with her. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be amused, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to.
I'm going to dry this on low setting so I won't get any freeziness. So for today, I'm just gonna put my hair in a scrunchie because I don't know, the weather is a little crazy. So we're gonna put it in a scrunchie for work and just wear it in a ponytail, and maybe we can take them down tomorrow morning if it isn't raining. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I will pull my hair back into the ponytail to preserve my braids. So I would prefer like a satin scrunchie, however I don't know where it is and I really don't have time to look. So I'm just gonna take this black cloth scrunchie and just pull my hair back into a ponytail. So that's how it's looking. Like the back. And we're gonna head to work, and hopefully maybe later today I can show you guys how my hair turned out. Okay, good morning. It is Tuesday. You guys know I did my hair Sunday. I did not want to take it down on yesterday because it was raining. However, the weather looks a little bit better on today. No rain. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of oil. It's the She oil to put on my hands to take my hair. So I'm taking it, just rub it on my hands.
She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you fuck with clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not.
So this is what we're looking like. Results. And shout out to these products, baby, because they definitely got the job done. So if you all enjoyed this video and you want to see more hair content, just drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what you would like to see. And I'll see you all in the next video.